Easy Access Transitions Angled Entry Mat. The Transitions Angled Entry Mat is accommodating for doorways both inside and outside and can easily be moved to another location if needed. It is made with 100% recycled rubber, is eco-friendly, and can be used safely on nearly any surface. This ramp stands up well in harsh outdoor conditions and features angled sides for cross-traffic access. Available in 3 colors: black, storm gray, and hazelnut brown. Usable width of 36 inches with an 850-pound weight capacity. Available in 1.5 and 2.5 inch heights and can easily be trimmed or notched. Embossed medallion identifies mat as an authentic, easy access product. Sets up in seconds. Simply place mat against threshold or raised landing for immediate use. For added safety, the freestanding mat can be attached using provided hardware. The Easy Access Transitions Angled Entry Mat features our Easy Access lifetime warranty and is manufactured in the USA.